Like, I'm just gonna do what I want. Yeah. I've been finding life's been tough nowadays, rough nowadays. I wanna feel something, maybe feel that way, feel something. Life's been tough nowadays, know your way, know my way. I wanna feel something, maybe feel that way. I wanna feel again, I wanna dream again. I wanna feel again, I wanna dream again. Feel again, I wanna dream again. I wanna feel again, I wanna dream again. I know you've been gone for so long. I know you've been gone for so long. I know you've been gone for so long. Yeah, I know you've been gone for so long, so long, so long. I really thought you had my love, but you ain't got one, you ain't got two, you ain't got. And I was fooled by the clothes and the jewels and the shit you got for me. I was really, really doomed. And you know better than to talk to me crazy. Always been sitting right now, house, you been lazy. Niggas out there getting money, getting paid. Really out here getting money, getting paid. I know you've been gone for so long. I know you've been gone for so long. Yeah, I know you've been gone for so long. Yeah. I know you've been gone for so long, so long.
Say, yo, I know it's been a minute, ungakhali ngisazospinza cela uqinisekisa ukuthi mase ngibuya ngisazokufika. Got a tendency of having feelings when I'm off the liquor, loving every part of you except for when we bicker. Why is it that when I cafe sober ngizokuziba? Go figure. A fair exchange is bindi for some liver. Wangibuka iy'nhlampini zamehlo wathi ungithanda mawumenye, uyaziqhelisa lokho wenza uthando lube nzima. Uyayivilaphisa, not matching the love that I will give you. Kahle kahle mabonga lento yethu sithanda ukucika. Mabonga uyishaya ngawo ukuthi ngibhekane ney'nkinga. Anxiety bamami dance ngimzela ngamaqhinga. Lutho nokuxolisa ngoba inkinga ngisazophinda wazi wayigila. Umuntu othatha umquba efihla imizwa. How I wish a cafe bingabhodliso kwensizwa. Kodwa uthando lukhona uyabona noma ungaphika.